Hi, my name is Madame Pamita, and I want to welcome you to this workshop. This is one of our video on demand workshops at the Academy of the Magical Arts. And this one is all about making magic with the moon. I love the moon. I hope you do too. Well, you must if you're taking this class. This is going to deepen your connection and give you so many ideas on how you can add the energy of the moon to your magic. So let's go over what we're going to be learning in this workshop. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Madame Pamita. I'm an author and I've written several books, including Baba Yaga's Book of Witchcraft, the Book of Candle Magic, Magical Tarot. I've written the guidebook for the Silver Acorn Tarot, and I co-wrote Cancer Witch along with Ivo Dominguez Jr. I'm the owner of the Parlor of Wonders, and you can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. And my huge passion is being a teacher. I love teaching about magic. And so you can find the live workshops that I teach, the pre-recorded workshops at the Academy of the Magical Arts, and all of that by going to witchcraftworkshops.com or by going to Parlor of Wonders and clicking on workshops. I also host a live Q&A called the Live Magic Q&A Tea Party every Sunday. And we'll talk more about that at the end, but you can join that. It doesn't cost anything to join. All you have to do is go to spellsquad.com and sign up, and then you can be a part of that. So here's what we're going to learn in this workshop today. First of all, we're going to talk about moon mythology. How far does our connection to the moon go back? You will be surprised. It goes back a long, long way. We'll talk about the importance of moon timings when we're doing spell work. We'll talk about working with the waxing and waning moon to add energy to our magic. We'll talk about the different lunar phases and how those particular phases can add some very special energy to your spells. We'll talk about working with moonrise and moonset. We'll talk about monthly full moon folklore and how that can add magic to your spell work. And we'll cover lunar astrology, all the different signs, and when the moon moves through those signs, how you can tap into that energy and add that to your spells and magic. Lastly, we'll talk about some special lunar events that have some very unique energies and how those can be utilized by you in your spell work. Once we've gone over all those different timings that we can work with the moon, we're going to talk about how you can combine those, bring those together. We'll bring you some moon candle spells then. I'll teach you some moon bath spells, some moon potions and foods. And lastly, we'll talk about drawing down the moon. So we have a lot to cover. It's all very exciting, and I hope it stimulates a lot of creativity in how you can add these wonderful moon energies to your magic. So go ahead to the next lesson and we will get started.